Okay, y'all, I just did 2 live videos, but it got to raining too hard. So now I'm just doing a regular video from my porch. Raining pretty good. I still haven't heard any thunder. I was really hoping for some thunder. But I love the rain here. It's so awesome. I hope it thunders. Coming down pretty good. Here's all my friends. My grape. Oh, there, grape. My jasmine. Woohoo, loving it. My neighbor has a really pretty Jacob's coat rose. No peek. No, dude. Calm down. Calm. Whew, that's a big old low cloud right there. I don't know what it's gonna do, but pretty gnarly. Love it. Love y'all.